Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Currently, in our present world, opportunities are abundant if you know where to look. It's not acceptable to be idle and not earn any income. Many careers offer equal opportunities for people to make money, and they are available in various fields. Even simple actions like creating YouTube shorts can be an effective way to generate income because opportunities are everywhere. You can generate a substantial amount of income, up to $5,000, with this highly effective stream that operates on full autopilot. It's unbelievable, but everything will be taken care of automatically. This opportunity is truly remarkable, and all the advantages are combined into one. This approach is comprehensive, including all the fantastic features you could desire. Firstly, it is exceptionally convenient since you can access it from any location worldwide using any device within your reach. Secondly, it's incredibly accessible because you don't need any technical experience to succeed. This means you can use only your phone or laptop. Even if you're a beginner, you can earn $2 for every 2 minutes with this method. Additionally, you'll be pleased to know that there are no fees associated with using this approach to make money. You don't need to invest any money. It's entirely free. This website is entirely free and there are no hidden charges. Now, let's dive into the main website, which is focused on YouTube Shorts. The first website that I'm going to introduce is InVideo.io. It's a robust online video editor that offers more than 5,000 templates, a media music library, filters, transitions, and other features. The best part is that you don't have to download anything to use it. You don't need to provide any credit card information because everything is completely free, as mentioned earlier. You can get started right away because there are no charges associated with this service. On this page, you can find numerous templates that you can use to create video content that can be posted on any media platform. For this particular approach, we'll be creating videos for YouTube Shorts, so we need to find templates that match the fitness theme that we'll be focusing on. Currently, health-related videos are trending, and people from all over the world are searching for ways to lose weight quickly and easily. They are determined to be in good shape, so they are constantly looking for additional information that can provide what they need. That's precisely what we're aiming for right now. By using YouTube Shorts as the primary medium, we'll be sharing some tips on how to maintain optimal health. There's a massive audience interested in health and wellness, so this is an excellent topic to focus on. Now, click on the View All button to access a page containing all the templates. This page includes a search bar that you should use to type in fitness. Next, narrow down the search results by selecting the 9:16 vertical format, which is the standard format for YouTube Shorts. This will refine the results and show you only the templates that match your requirements. You can now browse through all the fitness-related templates available to use. Now it's time to make some minor adjustments. Start by selecting any template that catches your eye by browsing through the entire page. You'll find a wide variety of high-quality options to choose from, so selecting the ideal one shouldn't be too difficult. The templates are visually stunning and have a great aesthetic. Once you've found the perfect template, click on the button. Once you've selected the template, click on the Use This Template button, which will take you to the editing page where you can customize the video to your liking. You can make changes to the timeline, add voiceovers, and even include additional clips. The left-hand column provides you with all the necessary tools and elements, and you can even upload your own video clips for additional customization. With this platform, you have complete creative freedom to add images, music, text, and logos. The platform provides a range of options to customize your video, and you have the flexibility to choose from various elements such as images, music, text, logos, and more. The great thing about this is that everything is conveniently provided to you, so all you need to do is select the ones that fit your needs, and InVideo.io will do the rest of the work. You can also personalize the length of the video and replicate some scenes to maintain a consistent format. Overall, it's like performing magic on your video. You also have the option to delete any scenes that you don't like, giving you complete control over your video. Now, let me explain how you can add your affiliate link to the video using this method. Pay close attention as it requires careful steps to ensure success. First, duplicate the final scene to create an additional scene. This is where you will attach your affiliate link. You can modify the text as needed since you have the ability to do so. To sum up, you have the freedom to make some adjustments to your video using InVideo's tools and elements, and you can even insert your affiliate link to monetize your video. To do this, you need to duplicate the final scene and modify the text to include a call to action with your affiliate link. Once you're satisfied with your video, you can download it and start earning money right away. To succeed in making money online, you need a product to promote. We have previously discussed promoting weight loss tips, but we haven't talked about the product in detail yet. Before revealing where to get the product, let me pause and ask you to give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful so far. Moving forward, let's explore the sources where you can obtain products to promote as part of your affiliate program featured in your YouTube shirt. These two websites have already established their reputation in the affiliate marketing industry, providing a strong foundation for those who are new to the field and have proven to be highly effective. Two well-known websites in the affiliate marketing industry are ClickBank and Digistore24. They are both effective for beginners like you to start making money through affiliate programs. For this video, we will focus on Digistore24.com and head straight to their marketplace. Once there, you will see a range of product categories to choose from, but we already know what we are looking for, so we can skip going through each category one by one. Instead, I will direct you to the fitness section. The website we're going to focus on is Digistore24.com, which is one of the most effective websites for affiliate marketing. Once you're on the website, head straight to the marketplace, where you'll find various product categories. For this video, we're looking for a product in the fitness and health category. The product we've selected is the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, which has impressive statistics with an 85% commission income and an average commission of $46.58. This product has the potential to earn you a significant amount of money quickly. Simply click the button to copy your affiliate link. To complete the process, the last step is to upload the video on YouTube by filling in the required fields. Start with the title, which could be effortlessly shed pounds with these rapid weight loss techniques. Next, for the description section, you will include your unique affiliate link. If you prefer a shorter link, you can use tinyurl.com to create a more polished look. Now that you've completed all the necessary steps, your YouTube shirt is ready to be uploaded. This is the start of your journey to make money online. That concludes today's video. Please leave your feedback in the comments section below and let me know what you have learned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.